All right, the drink we're about to make is called Brandy Blizzard. Go and fill up your mixing glass with ice and measure out 1.5 ounces of brandy. And we'll follow that up with 1/2 ounce of white creme de menthe. And a splash of lime juice. Go ahead and shake up what we have so far. Just enough to mix it. And pour into a glass. And we're going to top that off with ginger ale. And we did that at the end just because if we were to shake that drink with the ginger ale in there, you'd have a Brandy Blizzard all over your bar. Okay, add a straw. And you can garnish it with a lime if you need to, or just take it as is. Bottoms up.